Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix phone heating while charging for VIVO V60E. Let's begin! So, first of all, we want to head into the settings and let me stop you right there. What do you mean your phone is heating while charging? If it's just slightly warmer than usual, then you have nothing to worry about. This is just how battery works. Whenever you charge them up, they need to fill with electricity, and the electricity is just flowing by them. And yeah, they do warm up. That's just how it is. However, if the temperatures get really high, like you can barely touch your phone because it's so hot, and it's not really looking good for your device, then you can probably start to worry. There is one setting that we can make sure that it's actually disabled in order to save some sort of battery, and it can be seen inside battery settings and then battery health and charging, and it is fast charging. As you can see, we have some now even nice information that it is completely normal for the phone to warm up during fast charging. However, when disabled, the charging speed will adjust if the temperature is high. So we can always make sure to disable this, and now if our temperatures get way too high, our charging will automatically slow down to prevent from overheating, which is very good. However, if you're still encountering some issues with your battery temperature, then there is a very high chance that most likely you have some sort of physical damage to your battery or to your USB port. It's hard to predict what went wrong, but if you have your warranty or if you have like VIVO store nearby, you probably just want to head there and ask them for maybe a refund or just maybe for a quick checkup of your device, because it's very clear that maybe the battery capacity and battery health isn't as good as it used to be. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.